Mommy, you see me with no brown eye back a yard? Then I must in a freezer chicken, mommy. You don't have to call me for every single thing, mommy. No, I'm not getting an attitude. Alright, mommy. Mommy, you have the house to yourself. If you can't find it, just look. Just look. At your place now. Mm-hmm. Alright. Later. I love you too. One thing you ever stress me out. Not stress me out too. Thanks.
Oi, are you me come to you know?
Danny, you can just come park outside here and then contact me. That's nice. Panagan. And no, I can't deal with the two of them in that one, you know.